Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about personal branding. I got my blog over here, my brand. Anyways, okay. So today I'm going to talk about personal branding. My name's Maya Coates, by the way. And as you can see, this is kind of an example of personal branding right here. Just of myself. What is a personal brand? What is that? Friedberg says that your personal brand, otherwise known as your reputation, is how other people perceive you. This specifically pertains to social media and media in general, and how one chooses to present themselves to the world. This is just every image that you have of yourself on social media and that whole realm. And just how people are seeing you. That's your personal brand. You're branding yourself, right? Um, what are the three components? Um, and I'm sorry, I talk really fast. I'm gonna slow down a little bit. So one of the three components is personality. This refers to how people act, behave, and respond, and essentially communicate with people within their own community. For instance, part of my personality is I'm very animal oriented, very that's always something that I post of whether it's the dodo bird or any of those and so it's just an example of my dogs here, and here's a pup date, and that's just one of my ways of basically responding to my community, showing them my personality, my personal brand. So, um, and then the second one is consistency. This is the idea that each and every post consistently displays how you want to present yourself. So, for instance, here I showed one of the dental bones of the blue, how it's having issues with dogs, and the other one is just National Geographic, where they're how extreme they're going to take those photos of those animals. But again, those are both showing that I'm very consistent. My theme is very consistent with the animal sort of behavior. And then the last one is expertise. This is the idea that you are knowledgeable and professional when it comes to your brand for the community. For instance, here I again showed two. I'm sorry, I'm only on Facebook. I'm not on a lot of social media, but it shows two basically just different instances of I'm not an expert on what's in the box challenge with live animals or even Tarzan. There, I'm not an expert. I'm posting content by any means, but in a sense, I'm an expert in sharing that kind of information. So that sort of makes me an expert. But yeah, so that is my personal brand. Yeah, thanks for watching.